Welcome. Let's assemble the Windex 15. Here's what's included in the box. Start by partially attaching the support rod to the vane. Next, rotate the index arms so the black side faces up. Insert the curved ends into the slots. Once both arms are in place, hand tighten the assembly first, then secure it with a proper wrench. At the bottom of the box, you'll find an angle guide to adjust the index arms for windward performance. Gently bend them until you reach the desired angle. The mast socket allows installation on both horizontal and vertical surfaces. Once the mast socket is in place, insert the rod and tighten the screw by hand only. Tools may cause damage. To attach the BirdSpike, lightly sand the tip and press it in with firm, steady force. Windex, trusted wind indicators for every boat.